The auto switch device with EMSC control. After unpacking, remove the dust caps from the terminals and the panel cover. Then check the internal and external wiring before starting the installation. Step 1. DC switch device input. Connect the positive input to PV1 positive pole and the negative input to PV1 negative pole. Then sequentially connect to PV2 positive pole, PV3 positive pole, and so on. Step 2. DC switch device input. Connect the on-grid inverter. DC switching device positive terminal grid 1 positive pole to PV1 positive pole of the on-grid inverter. And sequentially connecting grid 2 positive pole to PV2 positive pole. Grid 3 positive pole to PV3 positive pole. Grid 4 positive pole to PV4 positive pole. Similarly, connect grid 1 negative pole to PV1 negative pole of the inverter. And sequentially grid 2 negative pole to PV2 negative pole. Grid 3 negative pole to PV3 negative pole, and so on. Step 3. Solar bus output electrical connection pump. Open the panel below the switching device. Connect the positive wire to the bronze medal, the negative wire to the relay. Then, connect the positive and negative photovoltaic output wires to PV positive pole and PV negative pole of the water pump inverter, respectively. Step 4. AC input electrical connection. Attach the wire harness from the accessories to the AC terminals of the switching device and tighten the screws. Step 5. Communication, connection connect the RS485 module to the switching device. Step 6. Indicator light display. After powering on, the power light on the machine will illuminate. With the solar input turned on, the pump light will illuminate. When switched to the water pump inverter for operation, and then the grid is turned on, the machine will switch to the grid, and the grid light will illuminate while the pump light extinguishes. The machine switches to work with the grid-connected inverter. When there is a fault in the machine, the fault light will illuminate. The above are the installation steps for the DC switching device. Thank you for watching.